Hi guys, good morning from Boston, Massachusetts. So, actually, and Boston is Waltham, but yeah, so Greater Boston area. So we just have a big snowstorm at night, and it's continuing on today. So we're doing a live with me and the missus walking around the park to see how deep the snow is. So let's see there. So let's see. This is the snow. So it's more like 1 feet, 1 feet deep. So this is how it is now. And that's the Bam there, right there. Bam. See how her feet is underneath the snow. So this is the local park we have in Waltham. It's called Waltham Common. So the street is basically almost empty with a few cars. Snow plows cleaning the roads. You see there's a truck with some plow in front. So yeah, so signing out from Massachusetts, the Greater Boston area. Yeah, so the storm will continue on for like maybe until afternoon or noontime. So I don't know if you guys can see the snow falling. It's trickling in. It's not as strong as yesterday, but you can see there, like, yeah. So there, Bam is the background. You can see the white splashes are the snow. It's not really clear in the camera, but yeah. So this is how deep it is, guys. So later I need to clean the car, make sure that the snow does not bury the tire, and also clear the pathway where to go out if we're able to. But yeah, so okay, so we're signing off. You're signing out with the missus there at the background. So okay, so keep safe everyone. Bye bye.